back to Chai with Lakshmi. So today I am sharing my life experience as an international student in living in Dublin. It was my jump from chilling with my friends and living with my family to new country, new culture, and new place. Even though I'm living in Dublin, a piece of my heart is still in Kerala. It was a very important decision in my life to take to move to a new country, a new culture, new place, and new peoples. I was in very comfort zone back in my home in Kerala because there was a lot of persons who was around me. Those persons who will be helping me for every task, and also I was not alone in my home. So I'm gonna say step by step procedures like how I landed here. There was a very long visa processing for Ireland because it is very strict country than UK or any other countries. So the I take a lot of months for visa processing and etc. to make my paperwork done. So it was bit hard, but I was enjoying it because this decision was mine, and I have to do it. Today I'm going to share the friends who are planning to come as an international student in Ireland or any other country. So I will be helping you with these things. As a first step, I can say that first of all, you have to clear all your education documents and also your financial documents, because Ireland is a strict country, so you have to be careful with arranging these documents. You can't fake it, these things. And second step is that you have to buy items to come here, or you have to pack bag. For this, I will tell you that first of all, you have to buy utensils, because in here Ireland it is hard to get utensils for us as an Indian to make our curry or our rice etc. So you should pack things like utensils and also dress. If you are coming here in winter, you have to buy clothes that is suitable for winter weather. As a next step, I would suggest you that if you are buying clothes or jackets, anything, you have to buy waterproof, because in here Ireland it is always raining. We can't predict weather in Ireland. It is true until I came here, because within one day we can experience four seasons like sunlight, rainy, cold, etc. So it is unpredictable weather in Ireland, so you have to pack things which is waterproof, and don't buy umbrella and come here, because when we open the umbrella it will fly, because the wind here is very hard and harsh. So buy things like a waterproof jackets, dress etc. So next, the first step when you came here in Ireland, the first step you have to do is you have to apply for bank account. You can do it in online itself. It is bit easy than going in bank, and also you have to apply for a student leave card so that you can you can travel in bus within €1, and also the next step is that you have to apply for IRP card and also PPS card. It is important for applying part-time job in Ireland. And also I would recommend one thing for you. We can't get part-time within 1 month. It should be in your mind, because it will take 3 or 5 months, but you will get part-time job. It can be delayed, so don't be worried. You have to apply it more and more and more. Don't just fed up with a lot of rejections coming in part-time job. So that's it. After that, I can tell my experience in my college. I'm studying in Griffith College for MSc Global Brand Management, and I guess it was easy for me, because it is only 20 students in one class, not 100 or 90 students. So we will be friends with each other, and they will help us. They know that we are an international student coming here for our new life, new culture, everything, so that they may help us, and also teachers will also help us with our studies. Mm, college life was bit easy for me, but we have to handle our part-time job and also our student life in a balanced way. It may become difficult for first time, but it may be easy while we balance these things. The next thing you have to keep in your mind is that expenses. Before getting part-time job, I will give you a rough expenses for with my life. Like for grocery for 1 month, we will be spending from 100 to 150 sorry, euro, not dollar, euro. And like rent for 1 month will be 500 or 520 euros. And also we will be having expenses in for bus for 1 month. I guess it will be 50 euro or more. It depends upon your traveling. Like I guess it may be 40 or 50 per month. And I guess that's it for 1 month expenses. So that you have to keep these expenses in your mind before getting part-time job, because it will be very difficult for you to like you have to spend money with the utmost care, I guess. That's it, I guess, for today's episode. So if you're having any doubts or questions, you can can ask me so that I can clear you in my next episode. So that's it, I guess. Okay, bye.